If your PC feels sluggish even when you have only one program open, there's a good chance a bunch of applications are quietly running into the actual background. So let's go into find exactly which apps are running behind the scenes. So the first thing I will be doing is to go for Ctrl-Alt-Supreme. If you don't find that element, what we can do is to head over here for the Task Manager, right click and look out for Task Manager. This is the two possible ways of how we can click directly inside here. Now click the Processes tab and look for the element that you can see in the actual list that there probably see far more running than you have expected. In my case, we have processes, background processes. So you can see we have tons of applications running into the actual element. So what you wanted to do is to, of course, many of them, your applications were closed a while ago. So what you wanted to do is to select the elements that are going to be taking a lot of your CPU, memory, disk, or network. For example, let's assume that I'm not using OBS Studio. So you can see OBS is taking 8% of my CPU and almost half a gigabyte of memory. So I select it, go for Untasked, and I'm good to go. You can do all of the stuff with the applications and background processes that you're not currently using. Now, let's disable some background application permissions. If you head over for Settings, go for the left section, go for Applications. I'm going to focus for Install Apps. Click the three dots next to an application you rarely use. For example, the BlueStacks. So I select this element, and under the background application permissions, choose the actual option that says never. That should be more than enough when you focus directly with this background app permission. So I go for never, and I'm actually good to go. Now, let's manage some startup applications. So let's go back here into Task Manager. Here, I'm going to go for the Startup Applications tab, which in my case should be appearing inside here. Now, this shows everything that automatically launches when your PC turns on. What you want to do is to select all of those elements and disable them if you don't want it to be those as to be working into your computer. As you can see, there's a lot of startup applications that I have disabled myself, so I don't have to do that process once again. Now let's check some desktop programs separately. So keep in mind, the setting application only controls the Microsoft Store apps. So regular desktop programs like the Chrome, the Photoshop that run into the background needed to be managed through the same Task Manager Startup tab by checking their own in-app settings for a launch or startup option. So take that in mind. So after disabling a batch of applications, go back to the Task Manager Performance tab that you can be seeing directly, once again, directly inside here, and check your memory and the CPU usage. So you should see a noticeable drop within a few minutes, especially if you disable several applications at once. There are tons of applications that can be helping you to do this process for yourself, but I do not recommend to do that because sometimes they come with some virus, or even they can be giving you unwanted programs that you don't want to be having into your computer. So that's it. A noticeable snap your PC just by trimming what runs behind the scenes. If this helped speed things up for you, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.